Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna cover lists in Python. So lists are basically lists of things. Well, what do I mean by that? Well, you can have many, let's say strings or numbers or whatever you want stored in one variable. So let's say there are users and you can pass whatever names you want. Let's say there is John, and there is who else? Smith, and there is who? Okay, Bob. Let's say Bob. So now we have John, Smith, and Bob stored in the variable users. Alright, so just like strings, you can slice lists, but we'll do that later. You can reference, let's say you can get the second item of the list. Let's say users, it gives us Bob because remember 0th, 1st, and 2nd. It gives us the second element of the list. You can also see the last one, which is again Bob, and you can take the whole list. You can access the information by that way. Okay, there's a function called append in list, which is really important. You will use it a lot. So basically what append is, let's say we take our list users and we type in append, right? And okay, what basically this is, it says append whatever it is in these parentheses to our users list. Alright, so let's say we want to append Ken. Alright, so now when we say users, Ken is there stored as the last variable. So now again, if you want to check the last one, it is Ken. Alright, what else? You can also, as I said, slicing the strings. It gives us the first two, right? It gives us the second, the first, but the second, the third actually is not included. It gives us only the first two. Alright, simple enough. Okay, there's one more thing called split. Okay, let's say we have some kind of data, alright, and okay, I'll do it simple way. Let's say there is who are you, but I'll just put here, instead of spaces, I'll put dashes, I think it is called in English. I'm sorry if I'm wrong, but yeah, there you go. Okay, it gives us who are you. You can take this thing without the dashes. What do I mean by that? Well, you can do who are you, who are you dot split, and you type how you want to split it by. Well, you want to remove the dashes, and there you go. We take strings here. Now what you can do is you can store all of that in a variable. Let's say split it. Okay, let's split it, and now whenever you reference split it, you get these. And now you can access each of these items in the list. Well, why would that be useful, you might ask? Well, there are many cases that it can be useful, because really you have that you have that values there, and you can access all of them. Let's say there is a race, right? And there are some some racers. There we go. Well, let's say Bob again, Tim, and okay, come on, one more name, John. I really can't think of names. All right. So now you can say who is the first, who is the second, and who is the third or the last one. Okay, the first one was Bob. You can see that by typing race in the first, which is Bob. You can also take the last one, oops, which is John, and so on. Alright, and you can store that by typing, let's say, Bob race 0. Now whenever you reference Bob, it gives us Bob, or even better, first racer is, okay, let's not type that. First racer is race 0, and now whenever we reference first racer, it gives us Bob. Alright, so I think that's it, guys, for today. I know there are a lot of stuff that I covered in this video, but you know, just go on and play with them a little and you get used to them. So thank you guys for watching, and see you on the next video.